Thank you. Yep, thank you.
Finally, my first tactile switch. And now. I was actually very excited to use Cherry MX Browns when I first got them. In the whole time that I've known about mechanical keyboards and the kind of custom mechanical scene, I've only used linears and clicky switches. Yeah, you know, one day I was thinking to myself, I thought, I probably use the rest of my student loan to buy a keycode. Maybe I should try a quiet tactile switch. You know, even if I don't like it, I know for the future. And so admittedly, before doing a massive amount of research, I bought a Durgold K320 with Cherry MX Browns. Cherry MX Browns are not tactile, okay? They're ticklish at best. The tactile bump is a technicality, right? It's there and you can feel it if you type like this.
Where's the A?
But if you intend to actually use your keyboard properly, you can't feel it. They're not mushy, no, I wouldn't say that, but based on the characteristics of the switch, I don't really know who this is for. They're not tactile, they're not smooth, they're objectively ugly. Browns aren't as smooth as the Cherry MX Reds, which in itself is saying a lot. And whilst they're noticeably quieter than something like Cherry MX Blues because they don't have a click jacket, they're still not as tactile. So you don't really have the best of both worlds, you have the best of no worlds. That being said, if I've learned anything in the short time I've been part of this community, it's that everything is based on preference. There is no honor. There is no honor to be had in switch shaming someone because they like something you don't. That was a freaking tongue twister. I can't believe I said that. Will I be using Cherry MX Browns anytime soon? No, this is garbage.